My name's Tyler Wolf. I'm the Chief Operations Officer and co-founder of Vortic Watch Company. Here I'm in charge of the design and machining program, essentially the manufacturing side of the business. We take antique American-made pocket watch movements, restore them, and then build them into modern wristwatches. And using the Air Turbine spindle, we're able to do that faster and better. So this is the Air Turbine tool. It's got a Cat 40 taper on the end, so it goes in the machine just like any other tool. We've got an engraving tool in here to engrave our case backs. We use the Air Turbine tools for two different things. We use it for engraving and we use it for surfacing. Engraving is pretty straightforward. We're using a really tiny tool to cut words or numbers into really small surfaces. Yeah, so this is the part that we're talking about right now. This is the case back for our military edition. We start with a solid puck of titanium. Then we do a first operation, so we cut our threads. And then this gets turned over onto a collet for a second operation. And it's during that second operation that we do this engraving that we're doing on the machine right now. Machine time is everything. The machines are super expensive, so the payments that we're making and the cost of that machine making 2 parts in an hour instead of 1 is huge. We have a lot of situations where having a faster spindle speed is hugely beneficial, and it's lived up to its reputation exactly as we thought it would. Yeah, one of the things that I really like about the Air Turbine spindle is it doesn't get hot. It can keep running, and because it's run by air, it's kind of cooling itself. So with anything in the machine world, we're creating heat, and it's kind of our enemy because it throws our tolerance out of whack. This spindle stays cool as we use it. Yeah, so if we had 12,000 RPMs before and we have 50,000 RPMs, it's pretty literal equation. You know, it's about 4 times faster. So at this point, we're spinning the tool probably fast enough, but because we're not taking a significant amount of material, we're just removing a really light layer of material and just doing finishing work, we can spin the tool a lot faster and move a lot faster. Cost, again, it's all about time savings. We're going to cut probably hours off of each product that we do for certain products. So it'll pay for itself really quickly if we use it correctly.